Hi, my name is Mary Louise, and I hurt my shoulder last October, and it just progressively got worse when I was traveling back here from Canada, and I saw Dr. Chan, and it was really sore, and I could barely move it, so he did an x-ray, nothing broken, so he started me on therapy. Well, therapy wasn't really doing it. It was helping a little, but I wasn't getting any better. I was actually getting worse. So he did an MRI, went to a surgeon, and he basically said, "You're totally stuck." So at that point, I couldn't move anything. And I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't do up my shoelaces. I couldn't touch my head. And so at that point, I saw the surgeon, and the surgeon said I would probably need surgery. And I said, I don't want to do surgery. So I started aggressive therapy. He told me I would need a narcotic, and I didn't want to take it. So between the therapist and myself, I ended up taking extra strength Tylenol. And then Dr. Chan suggested maybe I should try some laser therapy. And I didn't know anything really about it, but I trust him, and I decided to try it. Amazing. I'd say even after the first time working with my therapist, she even noticed I was just moving more. I was still in pain, but it was starting to get worse, or not worse, better. And then I went and saw the surgeon again. So after 4 of my laser treatments, the surgeon couldn't believe it. In some of the cases of the movement, when he tries to see how far back you can go, he said, "You're 100% in that position." So I continued. Dr. Chan had originally said I need 20 treatments. We only needed 11, and by the end of 11, I started to be able to move. I couldn't even drive the car in the beginning, to keep my hand really down low, and then I was able to start moving. I was able to, it was like a miracle. It happened very quickly. So from probably beginning to end, October, and by March, the end of March, I finished my therapy. I had started 2 weeks prior to that to play pickleball. And then I'd been doing some yoga, but no weight bearing. So, and then by now, this is May the 27th, I can do down dog, and I can totally do weight bearing exercises. I continue doing pulling, doing the pulleys and doing stuff at home just to keep it, movement. So I just think the laser ended up helping me along with the therapy amazingly. So I'd recommend it to anybody.